Yes, as I showed at the beginning of this video, the Twelvetooo Projector has one stunning feature that no other projector can match: 3D holographic projection. It comes with 60 plus themes, so whether you want to meditate, throw a party, or even explore the mesmerizing outer space, it can do it all. The results speak for themselves. All the footage was shot in real life, without any After Effects editing. If you ever have the chance, I highly recommend experiencing it for yourself. Watching it with your own eyes is a completely different experience. You'll definitely be amazed. Through the camera, the viewing experience isn't the same as seeing it in person. Plus, there are skylines that we tried our best to minimize, which are not visible to the naked eye. But should you get it? In this video, I help you decide if it's the right choice for you and what type of user it best suits. Here's what's included in the box. Now, let's take a close look at the projector. At the front, you will see the panel that sets it apart from other projectors in this form factor. Here we have the storage sky port, the protruding background color light, and the 3D projection screen. Moving down a bit, you'll find projection focus adjustment wheel, allowing you to fine-tune the resolution to achieve the clearest picture. At the top, we have a power key, should press to turn on the machine. It also functions as a volume control. Below it are several physical keys, including a music switching key. Pressing it allows you to connect to the projector to your phone via Bluetooth, so you can play your favorite songs if you don't like the default theme audio. If you're curious about the speaker quality, here you go. While it may not deliver the best sound, it's definitely usable. There's also a music rhythm key, which makes the storage sky and background color lights move in sync with audio rhythm. Next, we have the light brightness adjustment key, followed by the M key, which switches between lighting combination modes. The loop sync key lets you choose between single scene loop playback or sequential playback. Lastly, there is a key to switch to the next 3D scene. While this may sound overwhelming, using the keys is actually intuitive once you get the hang of it. Plus, the projector comes with a remote control, offering even more customization options. For example, you can change the background colors to red, green, blue, and white. A detail manual is included to explain all the functions. I won't demonstrate every feature here, unless you want to spend all day watching. I cannot wait to show you more of the real-life projection. Along the way, I'll explain why the Twelvetooo Projector outperforms its competitors. So, the Twelvetooo 3D holographic projection uses advanced technology to transform digital 3D images into realistic holograms with the light and special lenses. This cutting-edge holographic projection creates vivid, three-dimensional visuals without glasses or extra devices. Unlike bulky, expensive commercial projectors, Twelvetoo's compact design incorporates nano-optics and 4K HD lenses to deliver smooth, sharp, and colorful images visible clearly from every angle. Just enjoy. Alright, that's a wrap. So, will the Twelvetooo 3D holographic projector give you the exact effects shown in the official video? Probably not. You won't be shaking hands with that astronaut anytime soon. No technology can do that yet. But what Twelvetoooo does deliver is impressive. It takes the bulky, expensive commercial holographic projectors and transforms them into a compact, user-friendly device that anyone can enjoy at home or on the go. With over 60 stunning 3D scenes, ranging from lush forests to the vastness of space and festive celebrations, it truly brings your imagination to life. No glasses required. Its crystal clear 4K visuals, vibrant colors, and smooth motion make it feel like stepping into another world. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use, fits seamlessly into any room and even projects onto your ceiling. I love how its flexible rotation provides immersive experience, perfect for relaxation, parties, or sparking kids' creativity. And with a bulb life of up to 100,000 hours, this might just become a fun heirloom you pass on to your grandkids. If you are interested, check out the link in the description about the project now. Thanks for watching, and Sammy will see you in the next one. Bye bye!